Do you want to start your own business, but don't know where to start? Have you ever thought about starting an online business? With the ever-growing popularity of the internet, it has become increasingly easy to start a business from the comfort of your own home. When starting an online business, you should first decide what type of business you would like to create. Do you want to create an e-commerce store, a blog, or an online service? Once you have decided what type of business you would like to create, you should start researching the best way to go about creating it. You should also consider the time and money that you have available to invest in your business. It is also important to create a comprehensive business plan. This plan should include the goals and objectives of your business, how you plan to reach these goals, and what strategies you will use. This plan should also include a budget, which will help you determine how much money you will need to invest in your business. Once you have created a business plan, you should start looking for ways to promote your business. You can use social media, search engine optimization, and other online marketing techniques to help spread the word about your business. You should also consider creating a website for your business. This will help you reach a wider audience and allow potential customers to learn more about your business. Finally, you should make sure to keep track of your finances and stay organized. Keeping accurate records of your expenses, income, and profits is essential for the success of any business. This will help you identify areas where you can improve and help you remain on track. In conclusion, starting an online business can be a great way to make money and achieve your financial goals. With the right planning and dedication, you can make your dream of owning your own business a reality. All it takes is a little bit of research, dedication, and the right attitude to get started. With the right plan, you can turn your idea into a profitable business.